Why do you think many forex traders are giving up? And why do you think you cannot make money in this forex trading in spite of how many years you have been trading? Why? In this video, I'm about to show you certain things that you must do, and once you do those things, you'll be able to cash out immediately using this very method and strategy I'm about to show you now. Are you aware that this forex you are watching, this very video you are watching, that can make you a millionaire if you follow it carefully? Let's dive in immediately. From here, on what I have here, you will notice that there is a symbol you see here, and there is also a symbol you see here. Now, there is something I will need you to also know, and that thing is very simple. When you watch these places, you will notice a curve like this, and you also see a curve. Every single move that this market made, there is this sign that you will notice, and this is crash 500. This thing is also applicable to boom 1000, crash 1000, 900, 600, and volatility and step index. I've not tested this very strategy on jump index, but I'm sure that it can also work in that place. All right, so this very strategy you are seeing here now is very simple and everyone can use it. What are you going to be using this thing for? Now, watch out on what you have here. Just watch out on what you have here. Just watch it. It's as simple as that to everyone that want to make money in this very forex trading. It's very simple and very, very easy. Now, look at this thing. It's not too hard for you to understand. All these areas, this line you are seeing here, this thing have not crossed over in any form, all those places, but it was only here that it crossed. Are you following? Now check at this place and check at this place. Are you seeing it? But when you have all those things, it was this gap you are seeing here make this thing to be something like this. So I want you to understand this thing very easily so that you can be able to make money in this thing without stressing yourself that much. Now watch this very area here and watch this area here. See, this thing you are seeing is very simple and possible. Every one of you will make money using this method, and I want you to, once you start making money on this thing, please don't hide it. Just come to the comment section and say thank you, GDFX. So say something good. We are not competing with anybody. Anyone that works for you, please voice out so that the world will know that something is happening, and it can also encourage others to watch it and also use the same method and cash out. So this thing is what I'm showing you. I just want to backtest and show you certain things because it's not a must you would do it like this, but it is necessary you will follow instructions so that you can be able to get the right results. I'm just showing you the backtest, the Skyping side, and also catching spike. So it just look like it's the same thing. When you are backtesting, just look as if you are just bringing back the old ones. Just look at it. Just look as if you are bringing back the old ones. Can I show you something now? Just look at it so that it will not look like the old ones. Look at it. Can you see it? So let me just be dropping this thing on those edges. Can you see it? Can you see it now? Let me just be dropping it on the edges so that you will not think I'm just backtesting the whole thing all together. Can you see it? Can you see it? So look at it here and look at it here. So these things are some of the things you need to see, and as I'm just showing you this thing now, I'm doing it for you to find out that what I'm showing you is as clear as anything. There is only one thing you need to do. That thing is for you to be patient with yourself and also pay the necessary price, of which price is one of the hardest thing people find difficult to do when it is all about forex trading. They wish that forex is I didn't say they wish, they think that forex is something they can just come up, maybe enter, before you know it they start driving cars, all those things. No, forex are not meant to be in that way. So if you have that mindset, please remove your mindset from it. Forex is a price. You need to pay the price for you to become who you need to be. And for some of you that are thinking that you can use just $10 to become a multi-millionaire, it's good, it can happen, but it takes time. All right, it takes time. So when you are joining forex, have the right mindset, have the positive mindset, have the growing mindset, and not flipping mindset. Flipping is very, very good. All right, is very, very good, but make sure you cool down. Make sure you cool down. I know I'm saying those things because I don't talk about trading. I trade, I trade. All right, so I'm going to give out free bonus. That bonus will be that if anyone is joining my mentorship class soon, this anytime from now when you watch this video, and if you come to my DM, you just tell me that I watch your video and I want to join your mentorship class. I'm going to be teaching you, and also if you pay $500 for example, or $1,000 for example, no, I don't know the price, but when we negotiate $200 for example, $300 for example, $20,000 for example, then that same week you are paying any of these amounts, like you join the mentorship class, we'll have a negotiation and you pay it. Look at one thing you're going to do. You will join the mentorship class on a private class when I will bring you up, because I'll be bringing you up because of you. Every other person will be favored, so I will be allowing only but 3 persons. It will not exceed more than 3 persons, so only 3 persons is what I need. So when you pay for mentorship and we'll have this agreement and I confirm your payment, then be careful. Let's assume you paid 300 or 1,000, I don't know the amount, any amount that we have agreed on. Then when you join the class, give me a little time, like you stay for 1 week, then the next one we come back, let's trade. I'll be teaching you, I'll follow you up on trading. If you did not recover this, any amount you paid with, if you did not recover it, if you follow instruction, remember what I told you, if you follow instruction, if I ask you to place trade, if I follow you back to back and you did not recover your money, if you follow instruction, you are too sure that you follow instructions after teaching you, and you did not recover, no matter the amount you paid, I will refund you your money. This is GDFX talking. And remember that you are free to come to my channel and criticize what I'm saying. If I have lied, if I've deceived anybody, please, you are free to do that. Okay, so I'm just giving this thing, it's just like free. The financial commitment is what will keep you, but I mean, if you paid, for example, if you paid $500, if you paid like $500 and you enroll for mentorship for 1 week, follow instruction for 1 week, do the necessary things I will ask you to do, follow instruction for 1 week, then the next week, if you check the market and discover that the market is good, I will ask you to place trade. If you did not recover that same amount and more than, then demand for refund. I will refund you your money. This is GDFX. I just want to prove to some people that Forex is real and Forex can be real if you make it to be real. All right, so let's dive into what we have today. All right, so from now, what do you need to do to make this thing? What are the rules backing up this strategy? Number 1 is that it must be on 1 minute time frame. That is where you'll be entering your trade on 1 minute time frame. Take note of this in case you have forgotten. Remember that 1 minute time frame don't have any decision of its own, that whatever that goes on in the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour comes from the day, from the week, from the month. Then every decision you'll be taking from 1 minute time frame, you should not neglect the power of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. So no matter how good the strategy may be, every strategy is bound to fail. Take note of this. Every strategy can disappoint, but when you follow certain rules, when you follow some certain principles, you can be able to maintain a strategy that is working. All right, that's why when you gaze through the strategy, you place a trade, it works for you at the very moment, then the next time you come back, do the same thing, it will fail you. The secret is this: you don't really know how to study the candle, you don't really know what market is talking about, you are still joking with your money. That is it, you are still joking with your money. So I don't want you to be joking with your money. That's why it's good for you to learn. You can never learn and make series of mistakes as you used to. So now when that happened, come down here, follow this red, just look at this red here, follow it. If you follow this red, it will get to a point where it will touch all those zones. Then when it touch to that zone and start coming back, that is the market you are looking for. It must be on 1 minute time frame. It must be on 1 minute time frame. Just look at it. So once you see those things like this dropping, then even though that the market after dropping may not go the way you want it, but just wait a little while. It must give you the direction. It must give you something that you like. Then how do you close your trade? Immediately you have noticed that the same market that you place trade, the same market that you place trade have started going up against you. You know, initially it was here, then finally it started coming up like this. Then please know that something is coming up. And there is another thing you need to be doing that will help you. That thing is for you to know when, that thing is for you to know the position of your zooming level. Now look at this thing. Please look at this thing. Look at here now. Look at here now. And look at here. And look at here. These things are closing areas and entry areas. So when you place a trade at this point, you are expected to close anywhere here, because at this point, at this very point here, this thing have started coming up like this. So when this have started coming up, that is to show you that you can take 5 candles, 20 candles within this range. So if you have like small accounts and you want to grow your account, this is the right strategy for you to use. I've tried this thing. I've used even $5 on it and it's working. The only thing you need to do is check from your higher time frame and confirm that actually that this market will stay a little bit long because of your capital, because of your equity. Once you have that, then you are good to go. All right, now can you see it? So now, but I want to drop something, and because I want to show you something. Now watch here and also watch here. Let me shift it a little bit. Please remember where our attention is. Our attention is here. This is where our attention is here. This is where our attention is here. That is where attention is, this very zone, and also this area. Just follow it like this, somewhere here now. All right, so watch this thing now. As I'm shifting this thing, have you noticed something? That this zone now you are seeing, this thing have shifted from here. Can you see it? But this one is still the same. Please follow this thing, because this is one of the reasons majority of traders that will try this strategy to not work for them. And some of them will not watch this video to this level. They will just skip. They only want to see where you put up indicators. They will copy it. When they blow up their accounts, they will blame GDFX and say that this strategy is not working. Look at what I just showed you now. It's technical, it's hidden, but it can make you to become a millionaire and also make you to become poor. All right, so now watch this thing I showed you now. So if you place this thing as you are seeing it now, and you zoom out or you shift, and you know that what was resting in the lower highs is now on the higher highs, you know. So based on that, it will be difficult. So the right thing for you to do is that you must shift it to a point where you will confirm the right position. How do you confirm it? Check the previous ones, these zones. Check where there is a reversal, those areas where the market reversed. That is where you will point out the zone where this thing will be going to a particular direction for a period of time. For example, something like this, you know, something like this. Now check here. If you zoom this thing now, this one will be crossing somewhere here. Now let's zoom a little bit. Can you see it? Can you see? Just look at what I showed you. All those things, just look at it. When you zoom now, it will come down like this to make it comfortable. So when you follow these things, it becomes more easier for you to do it. If you don't really understand, because I don't want this video to get to 20 minutes or something. If you don't really understand this video, you can chat me up. I will clarify you on our WhatsApp group. So let me give you the indicators. These indicators. Then the indicators on the main screen, which is this one, just the crossing is okay. You have seen it that once you see the red and the blue crossing over to the red, you can do your scalping. Take 10 candles. Don't be greedy. Take 10 candles is okay. Just do it. It is okay, and it will not fail you. So once you have seen it like this, once you have seen things like this, then you are on a long run, you know, on a long run, because from there now things can happen. The more space it gives, it shows you a sign of the momentum, you know, the more space it gives. But once it come close, then this is what happens, you know. This is how simple this thing can be. Let me give you the indicators for everyone that cares to use this media. All right, the first one is 12 moving average EMA exponential, 12 EMA, 12 EMA exponential, 12 EMA exponential, EMA exponential 12. That is the first one. All right, so use it like that. So the second one, which is the blue line is 12 EMA. Then the second one is 21 EMA, 21 moving average, 21 EMA, which is exponential moving average. The E stands for exponential moving and average. That is what you have there. Then below, which is where this thing is applicable to every smartphone. We have momentum. The line you are seeing, this line you are seeing here, is momentum. All right, period 14. Let me change it to this color. All right, good. Can you see it? So this one is momentum. So just search on your phone and check momentum 14. Then the other one is moving average trend. Apply these few ones, you will get the right result. My name is GDFX. Remember what I told you. If truly you want to be mentored and you seriously want to be mentored, I'm giving it just like free. Call me, chat me up privately. If we had this agreement and you make deposit, I confirm your payment. Come and learn. After a week, then I will roll you in. I will join you and trade. If you follow instructions, and if you did not recover that your money after 1 week, demand for refund, I will give you back your money, no matter the amount. Even if you pay $2,000 and after 1 week you did not recover it, if you follow instruction, demand for your money, it will be refunded. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel, and we would like you to give this video a thumbs up, because your subscription gives us encouragement. I have thousands of subscribers, but I have thousands of viewers, only few subscribers. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel, and God will bless you. Thank you so